Look at this, huh? First one that happens midday. Wow. Midday. Get out of here. Let's get out of here. Actually, hang on a sec. Actually, hold on. Hold on a minute. Let me go this way. Hang on a sec. Ow! Where is it? Where is it? Room 264. Okay. Well, now I know where it came from. Wherever room 264 is. Wow. Yikes, that's loud. Oh, I'm stepping in all the mud. Okay. So at least now I know where it comes from. So wherever room 264 is, I guess their smoke detector went off. And that's the cause of this alarm. So that's wonderful. People are still evacuating, and now we gotta wait for campus safety to come. So that's wonderful. Also, side note, at the very least, I'm glad it's a nice day out. 60 degrees out. So it's not like we're standing out in the bitter cold. Like, I literally just got back from Walmart. You can't see him. Who are you yelling at? All right, they just shut it off. So, I guess it was I don't know what could have caused that smoke detector to go off. But, oh well, it's over now. Oh, what the heck? The thing's still an alarm. Oh, I guess they might be at the actual panel instead of at the annunciator. Oh, something clicked. Can't really see the screen all too well. This thing doesn't pick it up all that well. Come on, where are you? I wonder if they're investigating the cause of the alarm. Let's go see where it is. I think I might have passed by it on the way down. Looks like there's a trouble on the system too. So where is 264? 40s.
My head is the same.
I'm on the right track.
Yes, sir.
Ooh. Well, what do you know? I just talked to the occupant in that room, and turns out that her hairdryer set the smoke detector off in her room, causing the alarm to go off. So now we know the cause. So thank you guys for watching this edition of Damien Alarms 15, and I will Catch you guys on the next one.